Alright, so let's go through the checkpoint 12 of our stable equilibrium. So we have this dash, right, hinging at H is supported by S. So the arrow shows the direction of the weight and the force F, right, of the support at S acting on the desk. So which arrow actually best represent the direction of the force that the hinge acts on the desk? Okay, so for this checkpoint actually is testing us on our stable equilibrium. So in order to be in stable equilibrium, right, first we must understand that the resultant force is equal to 0. So how do we make sure that the resultant force is 0 is by, let's just say I have 3 forces, right? Okay, the first force, the second force, and the third force, right, must form a loop triangle. So the three arrows must form like a loop triangle to fulfill the first criteria. So when resultant force is equal to 0, right, this actually means translational equilibrium. Okay, then for the second criteria is what we call the rotational equilibrium. Means that the thing doesn't rotate. So in order for the thing not to rotate, the CW must be equal to ACW. So of course the 3 forces must pass through the same common point. Okay, so let's go through this question. So we have this F and W right here. Okay, so the very first thing that I must do is actually to make draw a dotted line. Because I want to ensure that the 3 forces right, actually pass through the same common point. Meaning, for example, if you look at this, right, okay, there's a, okay, maybe I draw properly because a bit saying. Okay, so this part, right, is like that. So this is the dotted line, and the common point actually is, you can roughly see, right, the point of intersection of F and W is actually right here. Okay, with this, right, let's determine what is the direction of our force at point H. So point H, you can see that my option D, right, will pass through the so-called common point. So high chance is that this option D is the correct answer. But of course, we must also check whether they actually form the continuous triangle, right? So first, if you, okay, I draw the W first. So this is your W. Then of course, I can draw a D. So there's a force D. So force D, I just draw like that. So this is force D. And last but not least, the F, right? Okay, the F is pointing in this direction, right? So meaning that I point this. So this is force F. So of course, you can see that the 3 arrows or the 3 forces actually form a loop triangle. So the answer will be option D. That's it.